morning, students. I am Prabhakar from Simage Group of Institution. I have come up with the topic that is relationship of management with other social sciences. Students, in my previous session, we have already seen the relationship of anthropology, sociology, which are the social sciences, with the concept of management. Today, through this session, I am going to establish the relationship of psychology, economics, political science with the concept of management. Student, if you go through the definition of psychology, the scientific study of the mind and the way that people behave, व्यक्तियों के मन और व्यवहार की रीति का वैज्ञानिक अध्ययन, या इसको मनोविज्ञान भी हम लोग कहते हैं. इस साइकोलॉजी के थ्रू हाउ वी आर कनेक्टेड विद द मैनेजमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, बिकॉज इफ यू आर unable to understand the psychology of any human being, then you can understand his behavior pattern, and accordingly you can try to apply the management controlling process upon that person. Suppose if we are working in a particular group, then while executing the work related to any group activity, we need to just make a balance between all the group members, because they are having the different mindsets, they are having the different behaviors. So this psychology is very much connected to human behavior, and as far as the management concepts are concerned, it also says that if we are dealing with the human beings in any organization, then we also need to understand properly the way they are behaving. जिस टाइप से स्टूडेंट हम लोगों को ह्यूमन माइंड्स को कंट्रोल मैकेनिज्म में लाके उसके बाद उनका इफ़ेक्टिव यूटिलाइजेशन करना पड़ता है, उस प्रोस्पेक्ट में जो है स्टडी ऑफ साइकोलॉजी प्लेज ए वेरी मेजर रोल एज फार एज मैनेजमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ कंसर्न. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट एनी मैनेजर हु इज़ लीडिंग ए टीम ऑफ सबऑर्डिनेट्स, while leading the team he is interfacing with different mindset of people. अलग अलग माइंडसेट ऑफ पीपल जो है अलग अलग बिहेवियर पैटर्न के लोगों से वो इंटरेक्ट कर रहा है, उनसे डील कर रहा है, जिनके अलग अलग इश्यूज़ हैं और उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी रेंज उनके पर्सनल इस माइंडसेट और बिहेवियर की वजह से अलग अलग लेवल में जा रही है. तो जस्ट टू मेक ए प्रॉपर बैलेंस, बिकॉज वाई इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, वाई देर इज़ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ मेकिंग प्रॉपर बैलेंस, क्योंकि उस प्रॉपर बैलेंस को बना के ही जो है वी कैन गेट ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. So for that purpose we need to study the human minds, those human minds who are not that much productive. What is the reason of that kind of productivity, that we must know to understand. That's why a study of psychology is very much connected as far as the management concept is concerned. Next one is that is political science. In this political science, if we see the political science, which is also a social science, in this we study power and authority, how to utilize the power, how to utilize the authority that has been given in terms of management concept also. If we talk about the authority, that has been a very much important concept related to मैक्स वेबर ब्यूरोक्रेटिक अप्रोच ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. उन्होंने भी जो है, मैक्स वेबर साहब ने भी जो है इसमें ब्यूरोक्रेटिक अप्रोच में अथॉरिटी की बात की है. इफ़ यू सी द हेनरी फ्यूल्स 14 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, इवन इन दैट ऑल्सो, दैट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अप्रोच ऑल्सो वी कैन फाइंड अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर कंसर्न्स ऑफ दैट 14 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. तो पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम में जो है हम लोग पावर एंड द यूज़ ऑफ अथॉरिटी देखते हैं, गवर्नेंस पैटर्न्स देखते हैं. Through that we can correlate with organization also. In political system we are channelizing through the government to a country, to a nation, or any state. In the same manner, even in organization also, we are the senior people, the managers, the top management or middle level management tries to channelize the entire organization. So they should know how to proper utilize the authority and power in that prospect. That's why studying political science is very much connected with the concept of management. Next one is economics. Economics is also a social science, and it is related to the concept of management. Why it is related to concept of management? Because economics always deals with scarce resources. इन सोशल साइंस कंसर्न इकोनॉमिक डील्स कि उन स्कार्स रिसोर्सेज का प्रॉपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड एलोकेशन जो है लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज का पूरे जो रिक्वायर्ड जो अमाउंट ऑफ जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है उनके बीच कैसे हो, और इकोनॉमिक्स उस चीज़ को ही डील करता है irrespective of their facts and figure. Economics has got a social concern also to distribute all the resources which are limited in availability in between all the people who are present in this world. उनका proper distribution channel पे economics बात करता है, और while distributing the scarce resources in between all the population creates so many issues. And even in organization also, with limited resources, how we are going to channelize all the activities, that is bit close to the concept of economics. तो economics भी जो है हम लोगों को मैनेजमेंट के कॉन्सेप्ट्स में जो है हमें बहुत सपोर्ट करता है. दैट्स वाई वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड through economics also the various concept of management. Student, I hope this way we have concluded the relationship of management with other social sciences. In my next session we are going to start with the evaluation of management thought process. It's my request that you please subscribe this channel and try to take maximum participation in listening my videos. Thank you so much, student. Thank you.